so what we are going to be making today is we are going to make a fluffy slime, and what we
what do you want to put in first?
glue.
You want the glue first?
Yes.
All right.
This is what you're supposed to put in first.
Okay. You gotta fill it up to there. That mark right there.
Mark.
Right there.
Wait, that's going to be a little slime.
Can you hold it for me? Yeah, we're making a small batch.
Why?
To try. We don't know this recipe.
That's good.
All right. Put it in.
No, it's your turn to put yours in. Your bowl.
Oh, are we each making some?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that. All right.
I got a bowl for you. I climbed up onto the counter and got a bowl for you.
Okay. Thank you. Tell me when to stop. All right. Remember to the head.
I can see it now.
Yeah, you can't see it now. It's all covered with glue, huh?
And stop.
All right.
I think you had more than me.
No. All right. Now shaving cream, right?
Then should we do
I don't think your mom got the right stuff. This is shaving gel.
I know. You
Well, we'll see how it goes.
You can put first food coloring.
It says to put in a. Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay. You put in your food
So
coloring first.
there's pink, purple, orange, and green. I pick these two colors.
Oh, I guess I'm gonna do orange.
Okay. I want to see what purple and pink makes. Do not touch it. Ah! Yeah.
All right. So I don't think we're measuring this. We're just shooting it in there, right?
First we have to stir in our food coloring
All right.
before we put in the shaving gel.
I'm ready. I want to stir with. I don't want to use my hands yet. I want to use a chopstick.
You already have a spoon.
Oh, we have a spoon. We're using spoons.
Well, you are.
I didn't get the script.
Flip. Oh my god. Orange kind of looks like red.
Yeah.
And the pink kind of looks like orange.
I'm using stop chopstick.
There's this.
The shaving cream is blue because it's shaving gel and not cream. So that's going to be interesting.
It's going to be blue slime.
I don't know what's going to be.
Clearly, nobody does. This is hard.
It's a strange recipe.
Yes.
Now, it's getting fluffy. It's getting real fluffy.
Yeah.
All right, that's going to work. Now,
I feel like I want to put in more food.
now you're supposed to add some baking soda.
I'm going to add some more purple.
Just add a little bit of baking soda.
Can I add some baking soda?
Yep. I think I just dumped some in on accident, but I didn't.
Mine is much wet.
This is going to dry it. So it's just a tiny bit of baking soda. And then
It's starting to form.
you still don't have your saline solution. It's 1 tablespoon
We're doing
of
it.
saline.
No, glitter. Glitter.
Okay, grab your glitter. Dump in all the glitter you want.
You're supposed to put in glitter too.
But you're supposed to do this.
Mine is going to be glue. It's a glitter. Oh, jeez. Mine's starting to form now. Look.
Great.
The way I stir it. Whoa. I'm going to put more.
It's all fluffy. Do I have to put in glitter too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you pick gold?
I do. Pick gold.
Okay. I didn't stir.
Those are my choices.
Well, pink and gold.
Oh, yeah, I'm picking gold. This is a little bowl you gave me.
I have a little bowl too.
Your
Well.
bowl's huge.
to be
Just
fluffy.
shoot more gel in. I think mine's plenty fluffy. It smells like my face when I shave.
Ew, it does.
It does. Don't say ew, it does. That's not a bad smell.
I'm not. I think.
Oh, it's getting weird. Look at it.
Yeah, you gotta put in more food color. It's not orange.
It's not orange at all. The blueness is really overpowering from the gel. Look at this. It's got like a sticky.
I wanna see what happens.
It's like a
when
web work.
I wanna see what
Why'd you
happens.
pick this bowl? We eat out of this bowl. Oh, hey, it's starting to be a. It actually cleans itself off now. Ha ha ha.
I added orange and purple. Why did I add orange? Now my.
So, fun tip: blue and orange apparently make green because mine's coming out a really gnarly green. Not very pretty green. That's the ugliest slime.
Whoa! Look.
Oh, nice.
I think I need more of this stuff.
You think so? Huh? Mine's kind of rubbery. I don't think you're gonna need any more.
I just had 2 drips.
Oh, okay.
I barely add any.
It's pretty rubbery.
Yeah, it's so rubbery. Like since it's too rubbery, orange is just staying in one
I don't know
spot.
what the baking soda did. All right, so I'm gonna have to commit to green because it's already green anyway. This is strange food coloring too. You said it's gel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jelly.
So I don't know about YouTube yet, but first rule of radio is never have silence. Always be talking. And I'm betting that's the thing on YouTube too.
Always keep
Always
on.
be talking. Yeah, always keep talking.
Okay, so we
Good idea.
Whoa, this is so cool. Should we use our hands now?
You can use your hands whenever you want. I just wanted to use it until I knew what I was getting into, but it seems like it's
Mine is, I think, ready. So,
all right.
for me to put my hands in, so I'm going to put some of this on my hand.
Yeah, I've heard that's the thing to do, so it doesn't stick to your hands. Just a little bit.
I did that before the video.
Did you? Did it work before?
I don't know. Well,
Here we go.
whoa, it's actually working. It feels like marshmallows.
Oh, I did not put enough on mine.
And my, yeah, it actually feels like marshmallows. It feels
Oh
like.
yeah, it feels like creepy man scent marshmallows. Man scent, yeah, it smells like man.
Well, shaving gel Manson. It's like when I take it off, it's sticking, but it doesn't like.
Yeah, it doesn't really stick to your hands.
Yeah, it's the
Strange.
stretchy. Oh, it's look at
Well,
mine.
that does help.
Feel mine.
Yeah, this is like mine. It's like a whipped.
Can you please put some of that stuff on my hands? It's. Now rub it in.
What are you rubbing it? Squish it with your other hand. Oh, this is just
Okay, can you
a
please?
strange flubber. I'm not sure I like this whipped flubber. It's
We're gonna do another video in 10 seconds.
in 10 seconds
Yes.
of non-whipped flubber.
Hopefully.
Yeah,
We
'cause
don't-
I like the saline glue flubber. This one
Can
is
you please
strange.
put more?
So this is the
of that
flubber.
stuff?
The
Can you
fluff
please?
head.
Can you please put some of that stuff on my
Food
hands?
coloring.
Wow, you got a lot of food coloring there.
Yeah.
All right, so when does this video end, Daphne?
Until the slime's done.
Well, it's kind of done. I mean,
No, when it's like finished slime.
is it not finished yet?
Yeah, it has to be unsticky.
Unsticky. Okay,
Like,
it's not sticking in my hands anymore.
not mine.
It does feel creepy.
Yeah, it actually does. I think the thing that made it creepy is the shaving gel.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Big shaving gel feels creepy.
It does. It does feel creepy.
Then you put it on your chin.
I do put it on my chin.
Does it feel weird?
It does. A little bit. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is better. You're right. It did need a little bit more of That stuff. It's not sticking to my hands anymore. Yeah.
Bubble contest.
Bubble contest. Will you blow a bubble in it?
No. What you do?
Oh, okay. No, that's all right. Finally got the right amount. So yeah, do you want more on your hand? Here, yours is sticking more than mine. Here. It does work. Put yours down for a second. Yeah, do that. Now rub that in. Because mine's gotten better.
Hey, bubble contest is where you you do this. I'm not sure this is gonna work because how it feels. It's this. You need a lot of room.
I think the thing next time is to whip up the gel.
Oh, I made a bubble. I think.
Oh, I think the next time is to whip up the gel before you mix it, because that is shaving gel, not shaving cream. It's not really the right stuff.
Okay, so next video in 10 seconds.
Or you tell your mom to make it shaving cream next time, not gel.
Well, we only saw shaving gel. There was no shaving cream.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It came out blue like that? That weird blue? I don't think so. Cream is different.
What? No, there was no shaving cream.
Oh, in the store?
Yeah.
Oh, that is hard to find. It's called Barbasol. Isn't that a weird name?
Yeah.
All right, now I got a ball of green, semi-glittery.
Okay, should we do
fluffy slime.
our next video?
It does have an interesting. Uh-oh. Oh, it's stuck to the paper really bad. Let's see. Oh, it is coming off. All right. Weird. All right, so you ready to say cut on this video? This amazing video?
How about we do a bubble contest and then we cut the video?
Bubble contest. Okay,
So,
bubble contest.
do you know how you do a bubble?
I do not how to do a bubble contest.
It's where you do this.
Okay, we spread it out.
And then, I don't think this is gonna really work because it's very sticky.
It's still very sticky, yes. This is.
Ah, I made a bubble!
Oh, and that's it? That's how you do a bubble contest?
No. Yeah.
I got a bubble.
It's supposed to be on the
Something
table.
gross.
So we both get a point. Let's
Okay.
see who gets a point on this round too.
Okay,
So,
you get a point
wait.
from a roll. How about we call finish on this one and we just play the slime?
And then we do another video.
Sure, why not?
I made a bubble!
Oh, that's a good bubble. You win.